Hi everyone, my name is Sanjeev. I live here in Sydney, Australia, and thank you for everyone who's joining in today. And we got a very special guest. She lives in Australia as well. So her name is Jenny, and she'll talk about everything got to do with online business, how her journey has been so far. So without further ado, why don't you introduce yourself, Jenny? Thank you.
Hello. Yes. Hi, everyone. So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hi, Sanjeev. Thanks for inviting me here. It's a pleasure being here. By the way, I'm January Bernabe. We migrated here in Adelaide, South Australia in 2015. So, my family is originally from the Philippines. I'm a mom of two boys. I believe you got two boys as well, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
we
So, currently I work as a part-time registered nurse and a part-time business owner.
Okay, that's good. So you got two boys as well, so you must be a handful. Like I know boys are not easy to
Mm.
control with a
Yeah.
lot of energy.
It's very
So
chaotic at home.
yeah, it is. I totally understand where you're
Yeah.
coming from. So, um, why did you chose online business, and what was your reason that you joined?
Okay. As I've told you earlier, I've been working as a registered nurse still up to this time. So, nursing is my passion, okay? But this job, demands my time, and, the pay slip is just enough to pay for our bills. So, I came to realize I needed to do something. I needed to do other thing, maybe a side hustle, a plan B that's, flexible, which could, work for me in the background while I'm still doing my part-time job. So, in summary, I needed to do something that would give me the time and financial freedom. So, I realized everything's moving online at present. We do transactions online, we do shopping online, we pay our bills online. So, everything's online. So, I said, why not venture into it? So, I'm usually online most of the day as well. So, why not earn from it, right? So, before I started with this online business, which by the way was introduced to me by my financial advisor, I did my due diligence and I did my research about it. And so far, based on my research, this online business that we have now has the best compensation plan. It's like no other. Okay, that's an honest reality. So that tick the box for me. Another thing about this business is that this is a lifestyle business. So basically, we can do this business, anytime, anywhere that is convenient for us. So this business is ours for life, and I love the future that I'm building for my family. So, and another thing is that, I'm a very religious person. So, before I started this business, I believed in divine intervention. So I looked for signs from up there and it was given to me. So for me, this online business is my answered prayer. And another thing is, I also love the fact that, we are given the opportunity to help people. People who have the same struggles like we do, people who wants a better life and achieve time and financial freedom for their loved ones as well. So that made me do this business.
That's amazing. So yeah, like you talk about divine intervention. So I'm also a very spiritual person,
Oh,
and to believe it not or not, before this I was a eBay and Amazon seller, and I
okay.
was selling on those platforms, and everything was going good. But
Mm.
what has happened in 2020? I was doing that business since 2016,
Okay.
um, treating
The,
treating that business like my own kids, like my own son, nurturing them
mhm.
every day.
Like your baby.
Since 2016, and
Mm.
most of my supplies were in China. And when the pandemic hit in 2020, my
Mm.
stores were shut down and restricted. So that's from me making passive income to $0
Oh,
overnight.
yeah.
So that really crushed me. And living in Australia, as you know, you living in Australia is not cheap.
Mm.
Um, I've got mortgage, I've got family, I've got kids, I've got like a lot of bills to pay. And like you said, my income wasn't enough. And even though I was doing eBay and Amazon business, I was always praying for something better because on those platforms I found that you're only making pennies. Um, to believe to believe it or not, all you hear on YouTube, people normally talk about e-commerce, but
Mm-hmm.
there's a lot of downside to those as well. Those platforms, you're not actually building yourself anything there. You're pretty much building a business for them, not for yourself.
Yeah.
And I was actually praying for this opportunity since 2000. I mean, for like five years. And when I lost this business, then I became more hungry that there would be something better out there. And I just kept praying, kept praying, kept praying. And one day,
Mm-hmm.
I just saw just what he said, an ad. I clicked
Mm-hmm.
and it just ticked all the boxes for me. So I went all the way, and I'm not regretting one single bit. And personally, since I joined, I've joined like I think 2 months, 3 months ago,
Yeah.
and it has been an amazing feeling. Like I have grown as an individual, like doing this live. Like I'm very shy person, but it gets you out of your comfort zone.
Mhm.
Things I didn't know about myself, I'm finding about myself now, and it's just a blessing. Like if you help someone to see what they didn't see in themselves, um, it's just a special blessing that you get from God, and it's just so blessed. And also the community. I've personally been in so many communities, and I have never seen anything like this. And there's nothing out like this out there. It's nothing. Take my word for it. Go look for it. You won't find it. So yeah,
Yeah.
it's amazing feeling. Um, so tell me a bit more about what has actually changed in you since you joined the business.
Okay. So personally, I've been in this business for 6 months already, and so far it has been an amazing journey for me. So of course, personally, I learned a lot from this business. You know, this business, as you've said earlier, really helped us a lot. So this business helped me to go out there and just be confident about myself. We show people what we have to offer, and it would depend on them. If they want more information, then they can reach out to us. Financially, an extra source of income for my family is a good thing too, because like you and I, we both have kids. So as years go by, their needs are increasing as well. So having a plan B or a side hustle nowadays for me is really an essential thing. Through this business, yeah, I just want to share stories, because if people have been watching my page, most of my go lives I usually do with my boys. So this business gives me the opportunity as well to bond with them, yeah, through this go lives and stuff, and with my posts as well. With this business, we became acquainted with people globally. We developed friendship with people who are like-minded as we are, and we are helping each other to push each other up towards success. So this is what I really love about this business as well. The community, the team spirit is really there, and it's really amazing. It's like no other.
Yeah, yeah, of course, of course. Yeah, that's what I said. And were you actually blown away by the results people were getting in the community?
Yeah.
Share about that as well.
Yeah, I mean, like once you get invited in, you join this private group of successful online business owners, and it's just very, very amazing. You see all these results, and these are true results, okay? These are not like
Mhm.
made up results. These are
Yep.
true results from real people who are doing this online business. So another thing, what I like about this online business is just we just want to show the people our authenticity. We are real people. We are authentic people. We show people our lives, we show them our family, what we do every day, the beauty of this business. So with this business, we try to inspire people as well to become better versions of themselves, and be able to grab this good opportunity for them, if they want to change in their lives, which their future self will thank them for. Then this business is the right one that they can have a look at and see.
Yep, of course. Yeah, there's only so many jobs you can do in a day. We all have 24 hours, but it's the matter of how we can utilize the 24 hours to make the most of things to come true in our life. Like most of the successful people, they talk about principle called leverage.
Yeah.
But I find like with a leverage in this, there's so much leverage without without having so much headache, because most of the heavy lifting is actually done for you, and it's the system behind it. So it's can you share about what do you think about this in terms of if you compare this to a franchise model? Can you talk a bit more about that, like a traditional franchise model compared to this online franchise model?
Okay, so we will be comparing now the online business with the brick and mortar business. So I think I just focus more on the online business because like with the online business, this is a business. Okay, this is legit. And when we say legit, it requires a startup cost. Okay, to be honest. So with the startup cost compared to brick and mortar business, this online business that we have is cheaper and more reasonable. Okay, I mean with the online business like that we have here, we already have our robust system. We have already have the proven marketing tools and the system that we have here, so all you just have to do is plug and play, and majority of the job is being done for you. So how great is that, right? So with the brick and mortar businesses, so you have to start from scratch. I believe the startup cost is really expensive and a lot of overheads had to be done, like you have to have a physical place, you need
Mm,
to maybe employ people. But with our online business, you can do this anywhere. You can do this at home, when you're in the grocery, you can do this wherever you are. So it's really like a flexible and portable type of business which you can carry with you wherever you're going. So that's what I love about this business.
of course, yeah, of course. But I also want to share about the other online business in terms of eBay and Amazon, and
Mhm.
also like what people mostly talk about on YouTube. Um, with those business model, I think you actually not building your own brand, and also um, let's say for example, we're selling something on Amazon, right? And we're doing a FBA. That's what normally talk about. Okay, I've done that, and people say that it's pretty much automated business, but I don't think that's correct, because even if Amazon is looking after for the customers and everything for you, also you will get a headache because you have to pay them fee for
Mhm.
you to store your product to in the warehouse. Something happens with your product, it comes on you, not on Amazon.
Mhm.
Also on eBay, if you're selling something there, you have to store products in your garage. When a
Wow.
customer buys it, you have to ship out the product yourself, go physically there. So it's pretty much it's not a business, it's a job. That's a
Yeah.
job, that's a
Mhm.
business. A business should run without you even being present at that place. Like
Mhm.
this business is running for us when we going live here now. It's running
Yeah.
for us in the background. So do you wanna also talk a little bit about that as well? In terms of what actually do people mean by business,
Okay.
like online
So
business?
sorry. So yeah, we got a fantastic business, okay, and we got our own marketing tools as well. So once you become a business owner, here in our online business, you'll be having this business will the system will be giving you your own website, and you will be having your own automated email as well. So all you need to do is just plug and play, as I said, in our robust system. You just have to follow our step-by-step training to become successful in this business. And I just want to reiterate as well, like we got no inventories. We don't keep products here, at home, or to keep with us and to drop ship. Let's say we do not sell any products.
Mhm. Can't hear you. Okay.
Okay, sorry. So basically, what we do here is we do not sell any products. So basically, what we do here is we do social media marketing using social media platforms. That's what we do, and we help people build their own online business successfully using our proven and our amazing system. So this is how our system does it. Okay. So yeah.
Also, do you want to share to the people who are actually watching this?
Mhm.
What will your advice be to them if they're thinking about this?
Okay, so for the people out there, to our viewers especially, get out of your comfort zone. There are good opportunities out there for you. give this business a chance. If you're looking for a change in your life, if you wanna, let's say, give something better for your family, this business doesn't need any prior experience. So if you don't have any business experience before, you are very welcome to start this online business. Our training is comprehensive, and we have a step-by-step training. It is video based, so all you just have to do is follow that one. Just have this positive mindset, have the proper mindset, be coachable, and just be goal driven. So we just would like to reiterate that this is not a get rich quick scheme, but all you have to do is just enjoy the journey, love your business, and be determined to succeed. That's all you need in this business.
No problem. Thanks for sharing that. Before we end this, I'd like to. Can you still hear me?
Yeah. Oh, good.
Okay. Yeah. Before we end this, I would like to play a little game, so get a little entertainment out of it. So I'll
Okay.
say a word, and you just reply what's the first word that comes in your mind. So
Okay.
I'll start. Money,
Fund.
freedom,
Freedom. Absolute.
family,
Life.
kids,
Inspiration.
online business,
Mine. Gold mine.
You cheated. You said 3 words.
Yeah, mine means it's ours, but it's a gold mine.
It is. It is.
Yeah.
Okay. Two more questions.
Yeah.
What's the best advice that you got in your life?
It's just a simple one, actually. I work in a critical field of nursing, so I learned that life is too short. So for me, the best advice I've ever had in my life is do something that you won't regret later on in your life, and do something that makes you happy to make life really worthwhile.
Of course. And what's the best advice will you give someone?
Best advice I would give someone, if there's a good opportunity, grab it. Yeah.
No problem. Sounds good. Thank you so much for your time, Jen. And I
Okay.
believe you're going to be busy today. It's a weekend, so you have kids. All the
Yeah.
best. And we'll catch up later on sometime.
Before we end, can I just say something? A quick one,
Yeah.
if that's okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Go.
So, yeah, for those people who are interested, please reach out to me or to Sanjeev, or register on both our websites. You can see it down there on the screen. So register on our website, and watch our free webinar. So this free information session will give you an insight about our online business, and see if it's for you. And if it's for you, me or Sanjeev, we are here to fully support you on your next steps. So yeah,
Yeah. Also,
grab connect with
like
us.
she
Yeah.
said, yeah. So we'll be a personal mentor, and you will also get a coach as well. So
Yeah.
that's a win-win situation. So
Mhm.
thank you for your time today, Jen, and you have a good weekend.
Yeah. Thanks for inviting me, and all the best on our businesses. And you have a nice day as well. Enjoy
No
your
problem.
weekend with your family.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.